Here is a tutorial on how to begin your realistic drawing. Step 1, grid your A4 paper. So you'll need to gather materials such as A4 artist quality paper, 1 2H pencil, 1 eraser, and 1 ruler. The grid on the A4 artist paper requires each square to be 2 centimeters. With a 2H pencil, very lightly add small marks at multiples of 2 centimeters along each edge of the paper. To assist your organization, label the left-hand corners with a small A. Now measure along the bottom edge, making small marks at every 2 centimeter interval like so. Now measure the left edge of the paper. It's important that you start to measure from the top left corner marked with the A. Now measure the remaining edge. Measure both edges from top down. Starting from the left edge, marked with an A, join the marks together now with light lines. Always use a ruler when drawing your light lines. It's important that each side is measured correctly so that your realistic drawing successfully uses the grid technique. Now write letters A to K along the top in each column, and 1 to 15 down the left edge. Note that the 15th row will be slightly smaller and that the K column will be quite narrow, but that's okay. Next, check your grid lines against the guide in the classroom. Make sure they are straight and line up correctly. Step 2, you're going to grid your A3 photograph. This time, use a 4B pencil so that your lines are darker. The A3 photograph requires a different measurement. Starting again from the top left corner, write a small A, but this time measure along at 2.8 centimeters. Note that this measurement is different from the previous one. We are using a ratio to assist with scale. It's important that you measure the edge of the paper, not the edge of the photo. Measure 2.8 along the left edge now. And measure the remaining edge without rotating the paper and starting from the top down. Once you have measured all 4 edges, join the marks with lines. For the long edge of your paper, you will need to use a long metal ruler over 50 centimeters long. Please be responsible when using this metal ruler. Write A to K along the top row and numbers 1 to 15 along the left side. To finish off, check your lines against the A3 guide in the classroom. Write your name and class on the back of your chosen image. And also on the back of your artist's paper. This is so you do not lose it. Your grid is now ready. In the next video, you'll learn how to outline your chosen object.